Hey guys, I'm Mallory Westbrook. I'm a staff engineer over at Intelligent Concrete. And today I was just going to go over a little bit about my job, what I do for Intelligent Concrete, and some of the joys and challenges I experience. So really what I focus on is data reporting and articles. So I oversee all of our reporting from the lab, and basically what that means is from the point that Brooke, our technician, takes all measurements, really to the point where we present the data to the client with Dr. John. I'm in charge of handling that flow of data, really analyzing the results with Dr. John and making sure what we're seeing makes sense and figuring out a way to present it to our clients that makes it digestible. And on the other end, I am in charge of all of our articles. So whether that's writing a paper for a journal or submitting a paper to try to speak at a conference. It's really technical writing to try to explain these new and emerging technologies that we're working with every day. So really the most rewarding part of my job is taking these complex ideas. We're working with things like nanotechnology and these crazy concepts that for the construction and concrete industry, it's a little bit scary because you need your concrete to be reliable. So what I love is when I can take a complex idea, some really in-depth science, and explain it in a way and have someone come back to me and say, I get it now, that makes sense. I trust it. So that's definitely the most rewarding and also the most challenging part of my job. Concrete's been around for a long time. People like to do what they like to do, and so really doing that technical transfer, making these actual engineers and superintendents and even concrete finishers feel comfortable using new technology is very hard. And so the writing of the articles, as well as presenting the data in a way that makes sense. Not everybody's a scientist. They need to see it in a way that makes it clear what results we're getting is really challenging. So a little advice for anyone who is working in a job like mine, really the best thing you can do is just try to understand the most difficult concept. Maybe you think you understand it. We're talking about a pozzolanic reaction of colloidal silica. When I first learned about it, I thought, sure, I get it. And then trying to break it down and write it into a 2-minute article where any person can look at it on LinkedIn and understand what it means, that's when you really find out if you know what you're talking about. So I would say just keep going, do draft after draft, and when you're looking at complex data or things you don't understand, talk it through with your colleagues. Dr. John and I spend hours going over data and just talking back and forth. What does this mean? What can we do to our mix design to improve this? So it's just constant repetition to really get your knowledge out there, to make it in a way that people can understand. So I hope you enjoyed learning a little about me and my position, and please leave your comments below, and see you next time.